guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today is a bit of a midday in the news for crypto. However, I'm extremely bullish on Solana having an ETF, that is for sure. And of course, XRP. We have some updates as well from Bill Morgan, legendary attorney or lawyer, giving some updates about the corruption within the SEC. Of course, they're corrupt. Anyway, London Stock Exchange, new crypto ETNs saw sluggish start, which is interesting as well, given the fact that I believe the Bitcoin and Ethereum, I should say the Ethereum ETPs were going live last night. Interesting. And yes, we do have the SEC copping a fine for being naughty in the courts, right? I mean, he should be actually removed from office. That's what I think. Anyway, Blackrock has overtaken Grayscale today, which is some bullish news. And yes, interesting though, crypto executives say that Nvidia is not going to surpass Bitcoin over the next decade, which is bullish as anything, because I mean, Nvidia has been going crazy. Also, my trading bots on 3Commas now on Gate.io have been incredibly bullish and working really, really well, making that sweet passive income. And I'm just waiting on some additional capital to invest in that. But it's literally exactly the same thing as what OKX was. So good times ahead, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, we're going to get into all of that, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting pretty interesting in this space, that's for sure. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yeah, we don't like to lose, but you can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto, right? So be careful out there, do your own research, and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Right, ladies and gentlemen, it's just on 9:04 p.m. I literally started this morning at the crack of dawn. And it's been a bit busy, so hence the reason why this video is a little bit late. But anyway, going straight to the community tab. Yeah, we had Judge Shelby, a federal judge right here, ordering the SEC to pay $1.8 million in damages for abusing its power against crypto company Debtbox. I mean, the fine is ridiculous when you think about that, given the fact that it's taxpayers' money that they're going to have to pay back. Anyway, it's just the washing machine. Money goes in, money goes out. It's absolute bullshit if you ask me. And I think Gary Gensler should be thrown from his position in the SEC when you think about that. But, I mean, this just goes to show the gross overreach of the SEC. And I mean, that $1.8 million fine is peanuts compared to what they're going after Ripple for, which is $2 billion, right? Ridiculous. Yes, that is my current setup, trading the bots with Gate.io. New exchange on the channel, Bulls, and we have Tech Dev putting out a bullish tweet today as well. X, whatever you want to call it. What does everyone call it, by the way? Let me know in the comments, I should say. The entire crypto market has just begun its first macro bullish expansion in 3.5 years. That is awesome to see that. Finally. Now, interestingly, we've got the US Treasury will initiate a buyback program from the 29th of May, which is tonight in New York. About $2 billion will flow into the economy every week. And fresh liquidity will enter the market, which is hugely bullish for Bitcoin and crypto. Yes, of course, because it's cash flow. And yeah, these are the bots, guys. Honestly, I set these up yesterday on on Gate.io because I wanted to use, first and foremost, isolated leverage, which is extremely important when you're trading with leverage in cryptos, because it just isolates per that deal, so you don't get liquidated across your entire position. Unfortunately, I couldn't do that on Bybit, and it was really, really annoying. Also, the fact that there's no unified trading account. So basically, what this unified trading does is, consolidates all of your accounts into one. So if there's any liquidation, you get wiped. This has not happened so far with Gate.io, and there's no unified trading account, so it's freaking awesome. It's literally the same thing as what OKX was back in the day. And honestly, I'm not making this up, guys. When things were going really good, people were making some serious money. Ridiculous, right? Anyway, the links are there for you. The 3 commas bot links, you will get a discount on that as well. And of course, I shared the 2 bots that are running at the moment. So there you go. That's what happens when you get to Patreon as well. That is linked below. Yeah, we made $92 yesterday. Very, very nice. And I've only got small capital in there, but it's just trading nicely. Anyway, let's go to Coin Market Cap. We've got 2.55 trillion. 10.53% up today, which is really nice to see that up there. We've got 57.69% up, $92 billion in volume. So it is nice to see that growing every single day. Dominance of Bitcoin is sitting at 52%. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 53. Bitcoin's currently trading at $67,844 at the time of recording. Ethereum's at $3,800. Pretty stagnant when you think about that. We do have Solana at $169. That is still incredibly cheap. XRP's at 52 cents. Toncoin, $6.51 USD. ADA, 46 cents. Shiba Inu, moving up the ranks right here, ladies and gents, that's for sure. Overtaking AVAX, up 8.41%. I'm still holding on to my SHIB. Chainlink, $18. DOT, $7.46. TRX is at 11 cents. BCH, $468. Pepe, there was a new coin that got released for Pepe as well. I'm not going to say the name on the channel because it'll probably get banned, but it was up 14,800%. Go Google that. Ridiculous, right? Litecoin, $83. We have ICP at $12 today. Ethereum Classic, I'm trading that $30 right now. WIF up 4.24%. Hedera, 10 cents. Immutable X, $2.28. Very, very nice. XLM, 10 cents. Let's do the banking coins. I love my banking coins, guys. Everyone knows that. Let's keep scrolling down. Algo's at 19 cents. Incredibly undervalued. We have Say at 52 cents. Where is Sui? WorldCoin, $4.90. Quant is at $91. Again, Quant for me is just the whole long term, like 5 years, right? And I've been in this game since 2016. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens with Quant, to say the least. And let's keep scrolling down. Some other gems down here, further down the list, by the way, out of the top 100, if I can find them. XDC right here at 3 cents. That to me is an absolute gem. Seriously, that is a good buy. Anyway, let's go to Crypto Bubbles quickly. And before I do, yes, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. I've been posting up here all freaking day today. No BS, all my bots, all the news. It's incredible. I put up a lot of information here that you can use every day for your investing. And again, I share basically everything that's making me money, guys. Honestly, it's awesome community. It's growing every single day, and we're like up, nearly 950 members right now. So thank you very much. I really appreciate that. There's 2,039 posts. All of the links to my trading bots with 3 commas are in here as well. And I did share the latest ones on the community tab as a little gift for you. Go check it out. Anyway, I've kept this at $5 a month. And if you're in Australia, it's $8.50, which is nothing compared to the information that's going up in here, guys. Honestly, it's incredible. You can message me in here as well. And you can also speak to everybody in the chat feature. So go check it out. It's really, really bullish. All right. Having a look at 3 commas. And again, I've got 2 bots running at the moment, and you don't need any more bots. So these ones here took me a while to set up. I just want to make that very clear, because some coins you can only trade with a certain amount of leverage. And that required me to go through, I kid you not, hundreds of coins. Because again, some have, maximum leverage requirements. I don't know if anyone's experienced this on the exchanges, but anyway, it's all sorted for you. Links are there. Hours of work, I kid you not. I'm trading on 15x leverage on these 2 bots, both long and short, using an RSI indicator on a 3-minute time frame. And yes, these bots are taking 1.5% profits on each deal. And very, very bullish crypto trading software, guys. I use this day in, day out. It's been making some nice gains. Now, having a look at Gate.io. All right, so yesterday, literally started these 48 hours ago. I'm already up $95 right there. Today, the market's a bit flat. We're down 15 USDT, but 95 USDT. I'm not complaining about that at all. Coming over here as well to trade, you can see there's 87 positions opened up at the moment. Let's have a look here. All trades. And I just want to see if we can go close positions. You can see the P&Ls right here. This is actually really similar to OKX, I should say. So yeah, it's small profits, but when this is trading 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, it's just churning through them right here. These are all the P&Ls. Look at this, 24 cents, 24 cents. And yeah, it needs more capital in here for sure. But again, liquidation. See what I mean by the liquidation? When you do get liquidated, it does happen. But I just want to point out as well that on Bybit, when this happened, it wiped your entire account, right? This is why I like the isolated leverage. And anyway, it works really well. Fantastic. So I'm going to obviously inject some more capital when that comes through. But very, very bullish times ahead, guys. I wanted to find another platform to get this going. Anyway, that's all in the Wall Street Bull University. Go look below. On the day, let's have a look here what's going on. I have no idea what the hell this is, but Brett's up 26%, 96 on the month. I'm not going to be trading that one, that's for sure. Shiba Inu's up 7.9 today, 214% on the year. I'm still bullish on that. TIA, 10.4% as well. Celestia, 11 again, 15% on the week and 11% on the month. There you go. Pretty boring stuff, but that's still incredibly early, ladies and gentlemen. That is for sure. We are still early in this market. People need to have an investment strategy. I prefer to dollar cost average, and I'm just continuing to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum as much as it gives me the shits. And of course, XRP, that is a given, and LCX and Solana, and multiple other coins when I feel like dumping in some cash and just, buying that. Anyway, I've got my favorites. Everyone knows that. Now, the ETF for Solana as well, there is excitement about a Solana ETF. Now, this is interesting. Gauging Solana's true potential. Hedera praised the Ethereum community for achieving a significant milestone and expressed the hopes that the over proof-of-stake networks right now like Solana would follow suit. Yes, it will. And this is an interesting one, but he highlighted the importance of the regulated financial products that offer added security for investors and make it easier to include crypto in retirement accounts. Yeah, definitely. Now, he pointed out a significant developments within the Solana ecosystem. Innovations like Jupiter and Phoenix decentralized trading platforms have demonstrated Solana's trading capabilities. Yes. While projects like Helium's decentralized cell network are pushing technological boundaries, and with the discussion of government adoption, Hedera mentioned that it is that it is too early to predict the US government will specifically adopt Solana. They may, right? However, there is growing interest in blockchain technology and the potential to maintain the US dollar's dominance internationally. Yes, I agree. And why Solana? On top of that, Solana's single global state design allows for atomic compositability, which is crucial for DeFi and other applications. With high transaction throughput, rapid block finality, Solana offers a unique blend of speed and efficiency that sets it apart from modular blockchain systems as well. Will there be an ETF? Yes, I agree. And James Seifert offered a more optimistic view. He predicted that Solana ETF could be successful in coming years, especially with legislation like the FIT21 defining securities and futures markets. Yet he acknowledged that Solana's security status remains a potential obstacle right now. And this is the same thing for multiple cryptocurrencies, but the fact that they approved the Ethereum ETF is extremely bullish for Solana and I guess multiple cryptocurrencies, right? Very, very nice. Bill Morgan, legend by the way. Bill Morgan accused the SEC of corruption, alleging the former official William Hinman, which has gone very, very quiet, showed the favoritism towards Ethereum, resulting in a regulatory bias against Ripple's XRP. Yes, of course, we know that story. And if you don't, go back for the last couple of years on my channel for that one. I'm not going to get into the other BS news now. I just want to get to this because this is hilarious, right? But the SEC's cheated. Basically, the SEC did cheat, which is huge. Bad news came for the court. Let me unplug my phone right here, to SEC, which stated that most cryptocurrencies are securities and took a harsh stance against crypto industry. Yeah, 100% they did, right? Ripple's been fighting this for years. Continuing the sanctions against the cryptocurrencies, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Debtbox in July 2023 last year. US judge presiding over the Debtbox case rejected the SEC's lawsuit against Debtbox. Utah District Court Judge Robert Shelby also ordered the SEC to pay approximately $1.8 million in attorney's fees in its lawsuit against Digital Licensing, Inc., doing business as Debtbox right here. So $1.8 million, that is a nightmare right there. We do have Blackrock Bitcoin ETF as well, surpassing Grayscale, after $102 million in inflows, which is huge. And BlackRock's IBIT has officially become the largest Bitcoin fund after recording $102 million of inflows in Tuesday's trading session, according to the data from Farside. Meanwhile, Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, saw roughly $105 million in outflows. There you go. They just don't effing stop. Stop selling Bitcoin. Now, this is interesting as well, but analysts are saying that NVIDIA won't outperform Bitcoin, which is a good thing in the next decade. And interesting, let's have a look to see. I'd pick Bitcoin over NVIDIA for the next 10 years. Personally, investment strategist Lynn Alden stated after pointing out on X, it is one of the few assets that has outperformed Bitcoin over a 10-year period. NVIDIA, known for producing microchips and used to train and deploy artificial intelligence AI models, achieved a return of 21,000%, while Bitcoin returned 13,000%, which is crazy. Over the 3 months following the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETFs on January 10th, Bitcoin has slightly outperformed NVIDIA with returns 31% compared to 30%. So it's much of the muchness, right? But Bitcoin's always going to outperform NVIDIA, for sure. And let's just go down here. Let's have a look where the money's been flowing. We've got Solana, Bitcoin, Doge, WIF, BNB. We have Uniswap right here. Bonk. A lot of meme coins, Sheep, Stacks, Chainlink. Very, very nice. Some good coins right there. Quick look at X. Then we're going to finish up here, ladies and gentlemen. Join the Wall Street Bull University, by the way. Let's have a look. Mike Tyson. Now feeling 100%, even though I don't need to beat Jake Paul. He's going to smash Jake Paul. I'm just putting that out there. US stock trades will now settle in just 1 day instead of 2 days. That is very, very bullish news. David Schwartz says institutional DeFi will come to the XRP ledger. Bullish. Ethereum balances on exchanges has hit a 6-year low. With the ETF approval, this scarcity will increase even more. Ethereum to $10,000. Let me know what you think about that. Thank you, Ash Crypto, for that tweet. A few years back, it was unbelievable to think that $9 trillion BlackRock would hold $20 billion in Bitcoin. Crazy how the switch happens, right? 28th of May, it's finally the day that BlackRock overtook Grayscale. Yes, of course, that is making the news. Kathy Wood says that El Salvador's GDP could 10x in the next 5 years due to their commitment to AI and Bitcoin. Very, very bullish news right there. And we've got an interesting one here. BlackRock, again, buying more Bitcoin. And a $725 billion asset manager, Bernstein, predicts Bitcoin will hit $90,000 in 2024 and $150,000 in 2025. That is US dollars as well. Let me know in the live comments below what you think that's going to be. Also, yes, the Japanese public company Metaplanet to buy another 250 million yen worth of Bitcoin. I mean, this is just continuing to happen. So you can see it's a bit of a midday in the news today, but still remaining very bullish and optimistic. And yes, I'm just keeping those bots running at the moment. But anyway, guys, that is it. Make sure you have a nice evening. Have a good night, good afternoon, and good morning. And I'll speak to everyone tomorrow and have an espresso on me, all right? Peace out, guys.